You are a video editor, you are a graphic designer, and you want your content to stand with beautiful and more attractive fonts. So how do you get those fonts installed in your computer? Probably you have 1,000 fonts that you want to install, but how do you have to go about it? Will you install these fonts one after the other? No. In this video, I'm going to show you how to batch install fonts on Windows 10 or on Windows 7 within 2 seconds. If you are new in this channel and you want to receive more videos like this, please hit on that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you won't miss anything. Let's dive in. Here I got a couple of fonts where I downloaded on Google Fonts, so you can get free fonts on Google. Make sure you check the license for free use and non-commercial purposes. You can also get free fonts on the phone. Check the video in the description how to download and install these fonts. If you want to install this font into your computer so that you can use it on your graphic designing software, on your video editing software, on your word processing software, this is what you need to do. Just select the files or the fonts that you want to install. Make sure you group them under a particular folder before extracting, because now they are under WinRAR. We cannot install all these fonts at once without extracting them, because we need to get like the setup or the file that we need to install. Right click and then you go to extract. Here the following file already exists. Just go to yes or go to yes all. If your fonts are not grouped like this after being extracted, just right click on an empty space like this and then you go to group by, select type. So when you select type, this folder will group items according to the file type. That is why here you have one folder. We have text document, we have 2 text document, we have true type fonts, we have 16 of them, and then when I scroll down I have the zip WinRAR zip file archive, I have 12. So select these fonts. You can hold shift, select the first one, hold down shift and click on the last one, or you simply drag over like this, hover over the fonts that you want to install. So I will minimize this way. The next process is simple. Go to your computer, that is where your system is, double click to open, go to Windows and you will find fonts. Just double click to open. If it is difficult for you to find your font folder, just go over here on your search, type the name here, font, and Windows will automatically direct you where you can find that folder. Make sure you place your window this way for easy manipulation. This is where I want to get the fonts, and this is where I want to install the fonts. Select the fonts, click and drag, and you drop the fonts here. In case you get this message, it means that font is already in your computer system. Like for me, I already have all these fonts installed in my computer. In case you want to reinstall this one, just go to yes. You want to replace it, go to yes. The next one is also already installed in my computer, so I don't have to be pressing yes or no each time, because all these fonts are already installed. Or if your folder, your installation app detects that a font is already running in your computer, it can auto pass or it can auto reinstall. So do this for all current items. Just check this box and go to yes. That means I want to overwrite it or I want to replace it, but I don't want. I will go to no. These fonts have automatically been installed. You can now use them on your graphic designing content. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.